How to sign into Sam's Club Business Credit Card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Sam's Club Credit Card and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, credit/Sam's Club, open it. You will be directed to the official website of Sam's Club. Now from here you can easily log into your account. Sam's Club offers a total of 5 credit cards to its members, 2 for individual members and 3 for business customers. Rewards and benefits vary across the cards, but the basic principle is the same for each. All cards offer cashback when you use them for purchases at Sam's Club, and some cards offer it when you use them elsewhere. You will need a good or excellent credit score to be approved for any of these cards. Now to log in, click on this option of menu. Click on this option of sign in. Now you have to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your email address. In the case you have forgotten your mail, you can click on this option of forget mail to recover it. Likewise, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. If you want to stay signed in, check in for this option. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option, register your membership, and do that. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily sign into Sam's Club Business Credit Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.